Hello guys, welcome to my channel Civilian. Today we discuss about how to make a simple 2D floor plan in AutoCAD from scratch. So friends, when you open AutoCAD, you will see this kind of interface. So just simply click on this start button and select acad.dwt file. It takes some time to open and just simply press the grid option and turn off the grid and set the units. For setting units, just type UN, press enter, set it as architectural and here, and it defaultly select as inches. Press OK. Then select rectangle, click on anywhere and draw the rectangle of size 30 by 40 inches. Press enter. Select the rectangle and move it to the some distance for the better convenience. Select offset of 10, press enter. Offset it inside, press enter for ND command. Then select line tool, press on this corner point and enter the value 11 by 4 inches. Drag it downside. Again press enter to end the command, and you can also press enter to repeat the command. Just drag the line and from here to here and press here, enter. Again press enter to repeat the line. Just follow the procedure. Downward 8.4 inches, press enter, 4 and simply click on here. Just continue the line. 3.6 and downward it's 4 inches. Press enter. Simply click on here, press enter. You can also use the mouse. Just click right click and press enter. Again press enter to repeat the line. Click on this point, drag it downward side. Just click on this point and drag it horizontally where these two axes are meet and simply press enter. Again select line, click on here, it's 8, press enter. Upward size 11.11, click here, press enter. Again press enter, click here, 4 by 7, downward 4, enter, here, enter. We set all the rooms. Just select offset for the inner walls and select it as a 6, press enter. Offset it all the rooms. Offset it properly. Just press enter to erase the extra edges. It seems Good. Now select the line tool for draw the doors. Drag the point from here to here. Press enter, again press enter. Select these lines, press enter. Again press enter. From here to actual size of door is 4. Just press enter. Here, again press enter. Drag the point from here to here, press enter. From here to 2, press enter. Click on here, press enter. Just delete the double lines. Go upward. Again select line. Click on here. 1, press enter. Here, press enter. Again select line. From here to 1, press enter, and here. Okay, again select line, click here, 1, press enter, here. Okay, press enter to repeat the line. Click here, here, enter. Select line. From here to 4, press enter. Click on here, press enter. Press enter. Click here, downward side 4. Click here. Select the trim command, press enter, and trim the all doors and also the extra edges. Click here, click here. If some edges are not trimmed, don't worry, we will do it after some time. Press enter to exit the command. Select these extra edges. Click right mouse button and erase it. So this line also. Great. Okay, then create layers. Click on layers. Click here. Press double enter to repeat the command. Select the difference color for different blocks. Here we go with orange for window. Select black for hatches red for dimensions, and blue for blocks. Press OK, and yellow for text. You can select the colors as per your choice. Click on here, then select blocks, select the line tool. We first simply draw just the staircase here. Click here, 6 inches, downward 3, again this side 3, downward 9, and just join the lines and press enter. Select offset is 13 for the staircase. Just offset it also from here. Press enter. Again select line tool, click on this endpoint, just drag the line from here to click here, enter, again enter, repeat the line, click here, just draw the staircase here, again, just repeat the procedure, click here, again click here, it's difficult sometimes to find the axis. And here press enter, just delete the upper line, erase, and here we do the basic simple plan. Okay guys, so guys, we will learn in this tutorial how to create the simple floor plan. In the next video guys, we just learn about how to add blocks, text, hatches, dimensions in the next video. So thank you for watching this guys.